Hello everyone, we will see how to start wayfinding in this tutorial. We will create basic wayfinding between two waypoints and we will add the map options using JMapInit. Open your main activity.java file, the place where we are initializing our JMap options. Just do map options dot should parse all maps and set it to true. This will parse all your maps. We will do map options dot should apply display mode and set it to true. This will show all your unit labels. And the last thing is map options dot should show map with ID. I'm just hard coding the map ID here. You can find your map ID in the CMS. Now go to the part where we are rendering the map UI components and the place where we are checking whether O is the instance of destination. Just create a waypoint object, call it destination waypoint. Just do destination dot get waypoints of 0. Then we will try and get the path per floor array. We'll do controller dot wayfind between waypoints. We will pass the user location waypoint and the destination waypoint which we just fetched. Once that is done, we will try and draw the wayfinding path using controller dot, we need to first clear the wayfinding path. Then we will do controller dot draw wayfinding path. We'll pass in the path per floors array. And we will try and run the application. Just open your emulator. Try and zoom in a little bit so that we can see all the unit labels. That's right, we can see the meeting rooms now. Just try and search any destination. I'm searching artillery. You can see from our blue dot we are able to fetch the wayfinding path. Click on close. You'll see that we are unable to clear the wayfinding path. We just need to add one more line. Just copy that controller.clear wayfinding path. Oh, we already have it. We can just uncomment that part and just comment the reset all shape styles for now. Okay, run the application again. Try to zoom in again. I'm trying to search Kiel. And there you go. Just click on the close button and it should clear the wayfinding path. So this is how you wayfind between two waypoints.